Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so I've got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of maple syrup, shake, I've got the salmon, a load of marinade, and then we're going to roast for 10 minutes at 250C, which is 480F. Then I'm going to get 2 seaweed sheets, just fold them up. And then put them into strips. Okay, and then when the salmon and veggies are cooked, we're just going to serve with seaweed sprinkled over. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.